So I have to tell you, look at what I made today. Do you see this? Isn't this fun? So I made a Jingle All the Way sweater. Isn't that fun? I absolutely love it. And look at this. Look. So, this is like the thing. Everybody's doing these side designs. And so I decided to give it a try. I did my own little twist on it. I didn't bring it all the way down. And I chose a sweatshirt that already has a little slit in the side so that I didn't have to cut it. I didn't have to get it just right or right to the edge or anything like that. I did it my own way. So I'm going to add a link here for my Amazon storefront so that you can find the sweater that I found. It comes in lots of different colors and all the different sizes. Mine's a small and it's pretty big. So I think it runs a tad big, just a warning. But fun shirt, fun sweater. I love this. I did different designs on every single letter. So I thought that was just so fun. So my shirt today, I love this one. It's Jingle All the Way. I made it using Embellishment Essentials, and I'll share what font I used. I don't recall off the top of my head. I'm pretty sure it was by Planet Applique for the applique font, and then maybe Stitchtopia for the all the way part. But I will add all of that information under this video. Make sure to get the sweater though. The sweater is super comfortable and lots of different colors. In fact, I'm going to order a few before you guys do just to make sure I get a couple more because I really like it. So great shirt. I will add my link here to my Amazon storefront so that you can check out the exact shirt that I got. It is a great sweatshirt. It's really comfortable. It's not too thick at all. It's pretty thin, but not like sweatshirt thin, and then it's got a slit up the side. So I made that really fun Christmas design, the Christmas tree. It's by Designs by Juju, and that is just so fun. It was easy to do because I made a little modification. The original way is probably easy as well, but I didn't feel comfortable cutting my sweater. So I've seen a few pictures. If you try this side design, there is a tutorial from Designs by Juju, and it's a great tutorial. But I've seen some photos of some people that have made them, and some of them, the satin stitching is coming out because it was too close to the edge and cutting issues, and I just didn't feel comfortable on my first try. So I didn't. And so I wanted a sweater that had a little slit in it, and that worked out perfectly. And if you're not like super perfectionist, they want the design all the way down to the bottom. I didn't want my design down to the bottom because, like I said, I didn't want to cut my shirt. So, you do you, whatever works for you, but check out the sweater if you want to do an easy way of doing one of those side designs.